What's up, guys? Tony here with Alternative Living Spaces, about to chop it up with my buddy Matt from ContainUR Pools. Let's go check it out. What does it look like with the permitting process in general? Are some cities really relaxed? They consider this like an above ground spa? Or what have you guys noticed on that?
Yeah, I see it split kind of 50-50. So there's a lot of people that are saying if you're in the city, you're gonna need to go through approvals and all of that from what we have seen. If you're in a neighborhood, you'll have to go through your HOA to get approvals, but no permitting with the exception for, we had some jobs in Joshua Tree that needed to get permits.
Okay, yeah.
And it's very easy. So what we tell clients is just to get a soils report done on your lots.
Okay.
They don't have to do that if they don't want to, but that's what we would recommend.
Yeah.
And then they would go to an engineer, figure out exactly what they would need foundation-wise to set it on. And then they can take those plans that we would generate for them from our engineer and take that to the city or to the HOA and get whatever approvals that they need.
That's great. Yeah, it seems pretty simple, honestly, because we do container homes, so I'm very familiar with that process. But I feel like this process just naturally is a lot easier because you're right, if you have an engineered foundation and you guys can say, hey, this thing has been engineered, it's structurally in good shape, there's very limited in terms of like electrical and plumbing, and it's all visible, it seems like, for the most part, right?
Exactly.
You can open up the doors, have it inspected, and be in good shape. So how does it work? So someone gets a pool, most likely it's delivered on a flatbed truck, I'm guessing, something like that.
Yep.
Probably more often than not, is it craned into place? Is that usually how it'll work?
Yeah.
And then in terms of any additional notes related to setup once you actually receive the pool, besides the fact that like, yeah, an electrician is gonna need to run the power, how does it go to set up the pool itself to make sure it gets running, it's cleaning properly and all of that?
Yeah, so we actually program everything prior to it leaving our facility.
Okay.
So we go in, we have a control panel that'll be over on this door or wherever the client would like for it to go. That's the control panel that ties into the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
And so that'll all be programmed for your pumps to come on when they should come on, for your lights to come on, all of that. And so when it arrives to you, it's ready to go. All you're doing is flipping the switch and turning your heater on, and you're good to go.
Okay,
so,
that's awesome.
Yeah,
love it.
And you were right with the craning it in. So when it arrives, it does arrive on a flatbed truck.
Okay.
And then there's a crane that comes in, and they just crane it and lift it over the house and just lift it right into place. Well, man, I'm glad you came, man.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Absolutely, man.
Appreciate
This is awesome.
The tour, guys.
No doubt.
Thank you guys for your time.
Welcome. Yeah, thank you.
And congrats on the product, man. It's amazing. You guys have done really good quality work. It's cool to see it in person.
Thank you, man.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of ContainUR Pools, seeing the different options and the different products that they have. If you'd like more information about the ContainUR Pools, I encourage you to reach out to us. We'd love to help get you connected, answer any questions you might have, and ultimately get you a ContainUR Pool.